Guys, I just had to set this up to take a look at it. Couldn't believe my luck. But I finally found the buddy seat that attaches to the front of the wardrobe that I got a little while back. Quite a hard find, but I managed to get one. Cost quite a pretty penny actually, but these things are getting quite hard to come by. I'm still missing the brackets that go onto the wardrobe. It's got some pins that the seat sits in. So this obviously flips up out of the way. It's been recovered sometime during its lifetime, but all the frame seems okay. So I'm quite an happy man. Another piece got. So I'm just going over a few areas of the bus, especially the parts that I've repaired. Just getting a little bit of rust inhibitor on it and giving it a quick coat of primer just to give the bare metal a chance. A little bit of surface rust was coming up, so I've just rubbed it down quickly and just a touch of primer. I'm going to do that in all the areas. The areas that I've still got to weld, like the seat mount bracket, I've used a weld through primer. It's got a copper content on there. It's quite pretty when you spray it. Little copper particles flying everywhere. And just going to give that a little coat of primer as well. And I'll revisit them another day. So we've established that the sills have got loads of holes in them. Now I'm guessing the best thing is probably to try and start unstitching this outer sill. Obviously it's been welded along probably every inch or so. Just try and unstitch them and see where I'm at. So I'm definitely assuming that I've got a belly pan welded onto a belly pan. Welded onto not a lot probably. Let's just try and find these inner seals. So I'm thinking it's probably best that I take the sliding door off at this stage. I've got to get underneath, do quite a lot of work, and the sliding door needs that bottom repair done anyway. Also this rear quarter in front of the wheel. So I've got to take this cover strip off. I've managed to get one screw out already, and there is another screw up underneath at the back which is just spinning, so I've got to cut the head off. There's no other way around it. Cut the head off and hopefully be able to pop it out. Door off, and it's like there's another tin of worms opened. The track that holds the cover plate for the slider is a little bit worse for wear, so try and get one of them. You just don't expect these things, do you, once you take them off? But the whole point of me getting it all off was to now get better access with the door. Don't know if you can see that, it's quite dark now. All these repairs on the underside, so gently cutting off the repair floor pan, and you can see actually I was told that the underbody pans do trap moisture, and that's quite evident by the amount of rust that's on there. That the underfloor looks okay, a little bit surface, but We don't look too bad so far, so I'm just cutting it off section at a time. Let's go a little bit careful. So I can't really film cutting it out with the use of one hand, so you know what, I'm really glad I'm doing this in some ways. I know what's there now, don't I? And again, you can see where the moisture has been trapped inside. So, in the end, hopefully, I'll be able to bolt these panels up if they ever need to be removed. Just undo the bolts. There's the view from underneath the bus. It's all been welded up before by the looks of it. So that front jacking point, that needs to come out. There's some welds there previously. Inner seals look like they've had some work before. At the moment there's only one little hole in the floor section.